And now it is time to listen to the weather forecast. Adam, what weather is expected? Hello, Greg. It's going to be a bit of a sun, some clouds with the possibility of rain. The humidity is over 60%. Thank you, Adam. We live in the world ruled by mass media. TV, newspapers, radio, and the internet are not just the main sources of information, but also the power that forms people's opinions. Let's have a look at the people who work at mass media. Try to guess the meanings of these words. 1. Director. A person responsible for a program. 2. Reporter. A person who tells viewers information about the events. 3. Producer. A person who sponsors a program. 4. Editor. A person who checks the information and corrects it if it is wrong. 5. Newsreader. A person who reads news. 6. Sound engineer. A person who is responsible for good quality of sound. Mass media is a great thing. Here are some more words that can help us while talking about the media. 1. News report. 2. Weather forecast. 3. Headlines. 4. Channel. 5. In show. 6. Front page. 7. Be interested in. 8. Broadcast. 9. On air. 10. Newspaper. 11. Magazine. 12. Program. 13. Prime time. 14. Rush hour. 15. Sitcom. Now let's have some practice.